Hello, everyone. Good morning, honorable judge, fellow debates, and esteemed audience. My name is Karina Destia, and I'm from Senior High School One Muncar. The motion before us today is the House regards the massive involvement of AI in the professional workplace. I stand firmly in agreement with this motion. I regard this involvement because it is not making us better, but greater. It is making us weaker, more biased, and less human. So, with this motion, I have two arguments. One, the erosion of human skill and critical thinking. The increasing relation on AI for tasks like decision making and discuss the human workplace. When AI handles resume screening, for instance, recruitment might lose the ability to spot subtle but important qualities or to conduct a holistic, a nuanced evaluation of a candidate. This over-reliance creates a generation of professionals who are less adept at critical thinking, problem-solving, and interpersonal skill, which are fundamentally human and vital for a healthy workplace. And the second one, increased vulnerability and lack of accountability. The deep integration of AI introduced significant vulnerabilities. A system defined or a cyber threat, and an AI-driven management system called paralyze an entire company's operation. So the conclusion, while the allure of AI-driven efficiency is strong, we must not ignore the serious consequence. This house regrets the unchecked rise of AI in the workplace not because we fear progress, but because we fear a future human judgment, fairness, and responsibility and surrendered for the machine. So, thanks to my debate.